Don't ask Ken. Hi Barbie dolls! I'm just Barbie Love by my childhood. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing little pink food cooking! Yay! I made this today. Microwave pink mug cake! Yay! Isn't it cute? It's super cute, isn't it? So in my last live streaming, I did this. It's a mug cake. Microwave cake. It was super easy to make, but it tastes pretty good. So I wanted to make another one, but cuter. Let's start. So here I have my favorite cup. Zeus Barbie Don't Ask Ken mug. So right now it's empty. Perfect size for one fruit flavor strawberry shortcake mix. So I already opened it, but I still have 3 pouches left. I'm using another pouch for making strawberry shortcake in this Don't Ask Ken mug. So first of all, open the pouch, and I'm putting it here. Empty the pouch. You know what I'm gonna put, right? Beet powder! Yay! So I'm putting just a little bit of beet powder, like this much. You can put either milk or water here, and last time I did with water, so this time I'm doing with milk. 1, 2, 3, and mix. I think that's good. You know what? Today I want to put something. I want to add real strawberries. I just wanted to make it even more yummy. Tiny pieces. Let's see. Put in it here. Yeah, it's a lot of strawberries actually. It might get too soggy, but should I put more? Yeah, why not? Totally strawberry. Yay. Alright. And last time, it was perfect with 1 minute and 50 seconds. But, you know, it totally depends on your microwave. So this time, I put more strawberries. So let's try with maybe 2 minutes. So now I'm putting in microwave. Look! Looks really good. Oh my gosh, it smells even more strawberry than last time because I put real strawberries this time. It looks so good. Okay, so it says cool for 2 minutes. I'm putting some cream today, so I need to let it chill for longer. Yeah, but it's okay. While I'm letting it chill, I'm gonna start working on cream part. Yeah, so let it chill. Leave here. Strawberry cream cheese spread from my another pink food cooking. I only have some left. I'm gonna just use this cup. I'm trying not to use food color today, only using beet powder. I want to make it a little darker than I expect because at the end I need to mix with whipped cream. So yeah, let me make it a little pinker. I think it should be fine. Okay, here we have whipping cream. And whip. Fluffy! Oh my gosh, this cream looks so dreamy. Alright. Little sugar. Just a little bit. I don't put too much sugar. I'm gonna put some cream here and mix. Like this much. It looks perfect. Cute pink cheese cream. Perfect. It's totally healthier than cream cheese frosting. Way less sugar. I totally recommend this. Actually, I noticed it's really a great idea. Yeah, I already a little bit tasted and it literally tastes like cream cheese frosting. So I can totally use this on the cupcake. Way less sugar than frosting. So I will definitely do this method. And yeah, so here's the mug cake. It's done. And I'm too lazy to use a piping bag today. So I'm just putting this directory. Not crazy? I know I'm crazy. I'm putting like this. Yay, yay, yay. So pink, so pink. Okay, here, my favorite pink sprinkles. How cute is this? Putting strawberry on the top. Ta-da! The cutest. This is the cutest thing ever. Let's eat it. Ta-da! Don't ask Ken. Pink microwave mug cake. It looks super cute and super yummy. But so today I used no oven, no stove, no piping bag, but it still looks like cake. It's super cute. If you are not good at baking but still wanted to make something by yourself for Valentine's Day, I think it's a cute idea. So this time I used milk instead of water, and I also put cream on the top and strawberry and also sprinkle, and no artificial color at all natural ingredients. Don't you love it? I even used my March, my favorite mug, Don't Ask Him mug. せーの、いただきます。First of all, I'm just having cream part. I'm so glad I found this cream cheese whipped cream. I would definitely use this for another cooking. Wow! Oh, I almost forgot. I put real strawberries in it. Look. Look. Super good. Super yummy. Look. Mmm! やばいやばいやばい。美味しい。Wow. I swear this tastes way better than some other bakeries out there. It's really good. Really good. Really good. マジで美味しい。Eating strawberry now with cream. 美味しい。これはマジで美味しい。I really recommend this recipe. It's super yummy. Yeah, so the point is real strawberries and whipped cream with cream cheese spread. So good. And don't put too much sugar. これは満足。すんごい美味しい。Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie Day. Bye.